everybody. Absolutely beautiful day here, and it's time to go for a cruise. Today it's a 1968 Oldsmobile 442. It's a great car, original survivor. Right now showing 88,159 miles on the clock. There'll be a few more after our test drive is done. I'll tell you, this thing just starts right up, so easy, idles so smooth. It's just an incredible experience. Handling the bumps very nicely. It does have an upgraded suspension, all by QA1 for the most part, I believe. You can check out all the details on the website as far as what that entails, but basically the full front suspension and the rear suspension was completely rebuilt, and the steering as well with a full Ride Tech steering kit. Right now, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. It's just, what a smooth operator. I'm really impressed by this car. The motor has been rebuilt, and it was dyno tuned to perfection, really. It just runs so nicely. You would think it's like a balanced and blueprinted motor. Fantastic ride quality all the way around. Just an amazing vehicle. It is an original air conditioning car that is on and working. That's just how we did the ride right there. Also, the factory 8-track player is working as well. The stereo has been upgraded to I believe it's Retro Sound did that. And it's got full Bluetooth on it and Sirius XM. It's even linked up with a little microphone up here so you can do your hands-free calling if you'd like. So some modern creature comforts, and it's a really comfortable car all the way around. This clutch, I should mention, is just absolutely fantastic. I'm just in love with this clutch. The feel of it is so, it's point on. If you come down and test drive it, you'll absolutely be able to get a good sense of that as well. But fantastic car top to bottom. Check out all the details, pictures, and description on volocars.com. And if you'd like to come test drive it, just call our sales department and arrange that with either Joey or Eric. They'll be more than happy to help you with it. But as I see it, it's a fantastic original car, and you're going to love it.